So we get several types of clients that come into the office. Most of the tax returns are done virtually. But to give you guys some scenarios, in the beginning of the tax season, what we tend to get is a lot of individuals that are low income. They depend heavily on their tax return. They typically have dependents that's also claiming. And a lot of times they don't understand how the tax code works, right? So there's a lot of education that needs to happen. They get a lot of misinformation happening from social media, from their friends told them, whatever it might be. And what happens is that they assume that they're going to get a certain type of refund, right? Because they see that they're going to get certain credits or this credit is available. And there's a lot of education that needs to happen with an individual. So it's not just typing information in and pressing enter. We try here at Apex to try to show the individual how they can maximize their refund, what they're eligible for, and what is ethically right, okay, when it comes to the tax return. Then after that, we kind of get clients that are in the middle class. So these are folks that make anywhere from $45,000 maybe to $100,000. Those folks, when they come in, what they're looking for is they just want to make sure that they don't have to pay taxes. So throughout the year, they tend to overpay in taxes on purpose because they know that they are high earners, but they also want to take advantage of all the credits that are available. So there's also education that happens with them, but it's just different. There's a lot of things that the middle class can do to try to reduce their tax liability. There's a lot of things that they can do to shelter themselves from the future. Sometimes they're just unaware of it, or again, there's a lot of misinformation. You can go into the IRS website and read publication 17, and it gives you all the rules, all the tax codes, everything that's happening when it comes to the tax code. However, it's hard to interpret, right? So my job here as a tax professional is to help you interpret the law, interpret what you're eligible for, and of course, let you know what you can prepare yourself in the future. Then we also get clients that are more high-end clients, right? So let's say they're high earners. They make anywhere from $150,000 and above. And then those individuals, there's a lot of conversation with them because they're also looking for tax shelters. And as they make more and more money, they're always liable, right, for higher taxes. So they tend to pay a lot more taxes throughout the year. They even go to their job and fill out their W-4 to actually have taxes taken out. These individuals also invest in stocks, right? They invest in bonds. They tend to also have rental properties. They tend to also have maybe be partners in an LLC. They're trying to find ways to maximize, right, their income. We all need to pay our taxes. We all need to follow the rules, of course. But there's ways that we can minimize or maximize their income for the long run. So if you're interested in any of these things that I talked about today, reach out to us here at Apex and you can have a virtual conversation with me.